In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses need cutting-edge technology solutions to stay ahead of the curve. That's where ZineMind Technologies comes in, partnering with businesses to develop and implement innovative technology solutions that drive growth and success. At ZineMind, we pride ourselves on our ability to customize solutions to meet each client's unique needs. That's why we rely on Microsoft Technology Development Services to help us build and implement solutions that are reliable, scalable, and secure. Microsoft Technology Development Services is dedicated to helping businesses harness the full potential of the Microsoft technology stack. Our team of experts provides end-to-end support, from ideation to deployment and beyond. By partnering with ZineMind, businesses can be confident that they're getting the best technology solutions tailored to their specific needs. Contact us today to schedule an expert consultation. Visit ZineMind.com.